next problem based on partial differentiation. If f of x comma y equal to 0 and phi of y comma z equal to 0, show that dou f by dou y, dou phi by dou z into dz by dx equal to dou f by dou x into dou phi by dou y into dou phi by dou y. Solution. Using the implicit function, what is the first function? F of xy equal to 0. We have, what is dy by dx? Yesterday's class, dy by dx, I told you how to write. First, f derivative with respect to x, partial derivative, divided by f partial derivative with respect to y, and minus. This is equation 1. Same logic. Now, using the implicit function, what is another function is given as phi of yz equal to 0. We have phi of yz now function is, we have now see x comma y here in place of x comma y, y comma z. Therefore, this is dy by dx. Now here what it is, dz by dy. That is the change. Dz by dy equal to, what is the first one? Phi derivative with respect to y, first variable. Next phi derivative with respect to z. This is minus equation 2. Okay. Now, but see in the question, what is the thing here? Dz by dx is there, but nowhere dz by dx is here. Here we are having dz by dy and dy by dx. Therefore, now dz by dx is equal to dz by dx equal to dz by dy by dy by dx. This is so-called chain rule. This is chain rule. So what is dz by dy? Minus dou phi by dou y by dou phi by dou z. This is over into dy by dx means this one by whole by this one. That means this dou f by dou y.
Sir,
Dou f by dou y.
Sir, dz by dx
dou
equal
f
to dz by dy by dx by dy. No, sir, not dy by dx.
Wait. Let me write like this, right? So dz by dy into dy by dx, right? This is chain rule.
Yes, sir.
This is chain rule, right? Okay. So dz by dy is this one, and dy by dx is now this is dou phi by dou x, and this is dou phi by dou y.
Sir?
Any corrections?
Sir, means in this chain rule, for partial differentiation, we can't cancel if there dou y by, if dy by dy we can cancel. If dou y by dou y is there, we can't cancel, sir.
No, not like that. Not cancelling. See, it's not the thing of cancelling dy, then we are getting dz by dx. Not like that. It's a vague idea to remember. But original principle is this one. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now, this is equal to, what is minus gets cancelled. So dz by dx equal to, what we have, dou phi by dou y into dou f by dou x, and take these two this side, dou phi by dou z and dou f by dou y into dz by dx. That's what we have to get. Check it. What I have to get, first one dou phi by dou z is there, right? Next one dou f phi is there, dz by dx, right? This is the proof. This is one model problem. And next one, it's a simple anyway. Yeah, see, if phi of cx minus az, cy minus bz equal to 0, cy minus bz equal to 0, show that a into dou z by dou x equal to b into dou z by dou y equal to c. This is assignment, small problem. Next one, double derivative is finished. These are all solved. You can solve these problems. Let me tell exercise problems. Yeah. See, if z equal to f of x comma y and x equal to e to the power of u plus e to the power of minus v, y equal to e to the power of minus u minus e to the power of v, prove that dou z by dou u minus dou z by dou v equal to x into dou z by dou x minus y into dou z by dou y. Now, solution. See here, z is function of xy, and xy are functions of what are those? uv. X and y are functions of in terms of uv. Therefore, z is function of uv. Okay, what is the idea? Z is function of x and y. X and y are both are functions of u and v. Therefore, z is function of uv. Therefore, since z is function of uv now, z is function of uv, I can calculate dou z to function. Z is now function of two variables. Therefore, dou z by dou u partial derivative exists. Similarly, dou z by dou v partial derivative exists. Now, let us apply chain rule. Since z is a function of two variables, first thing, using our change of variable total differentiation formula, first z is a function of x. Now, x is function of how many variables? X is function of again two variables. Therefore, this is a partial derivative. Dou x by derivative is what with respect to u plus z is function of y, so its derivative with respect to y, and y is also function of u and v, so partial derivative of y with respect to u. Okay, this is total differentiation formula. Now, what is dou z by dou x? This is as it is, dou z by dou x as it is, because z is given as simply f of xy. Now, what is dou x by dou u? E power u. Dou x by dou u is e power u. And dou z by dou y as it is, dou y by dou u is what? Y is e power minus u. So, minus e power minus u. This is the value of dou z by dou u. Next one, dou z by dou v. Now, dou z by dou v equal to dou z by dou x. Now, x derivative with respect to v. Next, dou z by dou y. Y derivative with respect to v. All are partial derivatives because all are functions of more than one variable. So, this is dou z by dou x. And what is dou x by dou v? Minus e to the power of v. Minus e to the power of v. Plus dou z by dou y. Dou y by dou v is what? Dou y by dou x by dou v is, this is minus is there, right? And dou y by dou v is what? Minus e to the power of v. This is the value of dou z by dou v. Take this as 1, this as 2. And what is the required one? Subtraction. Okay. Now, dou z by dou u, 1 minus 2 implies dou z by dou u minus dou z by dou v equal to, what is the first one? Equal to dou z by dou x e to the power of u minus dou z by dou y e to the power of minus u minus dou z by dou x e to the power of minus v minus dou z by dou y e to the power of v. Now take the terms common. Dou z by dou x is common. This is e power u and this is minus e to the power of minus v. Plus dou z by dou y common. Dou z by dou y minus, take minus common. This is e to the power of minus u plus e to the power of v. Any corrections? E to the power of minus u Somewhere there is a mistake. Dou y by dou v. Yeah, it's correct, right? Both are minus, right? E power u. Where is the mistake then? I need what? X into dou z by dou x minus y into dou z by dou y. E power u, e power minus v, correct? E power minus u minus e power v, correct? Then where is the mistake? Dou x by dou u, e power u, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou u. Class la unna cheppu. Dou z by dou v, dou y by dou u is dou y by dou
Sir,
u
it's
minus,
subtraction,
correct?
sir.
This
1
is
minus
right.
2, sir.
One minus two. This one is okay. So this becomes what? Plus. This becomes plus, right? Yeah. Dou z by dou u, dou x means e power u plus e power minus v. Dou minus dou z by dou y common. E power minus u and minus is common. This is minus. This is minus. So this is equal to, this value is what? X, and this value is what? Y. So x into dou z by dou x minus y into dou z by dou y. This is another model problem. And next one, I think we did this right now. Next one, if u equal to function of 2x minus 3y, 3y minus 4z, 4z minus 2x, prove that 1 over 2 dou u by dou x plus 1 over 3 dou u by dou y plus 1 over 4 dou u by dou z equal to 0. Equal to 0. It's also a simple problem. See, u is a function of how many variables? U is a function of x, y, z. U is a function of x, y, z. So I'm taking first, let r equal to 2x minus 3y. Next, s equal to 3y minus 4z. And t equal to 4z minus 2x. 2x. 4z minus 2x. Therefore, u is now function of what? U is function of r, s, t, and r, s, t are functions of x, y, z. Functions of x, y, z. X, y, z. Therefore, what is this thing now? U is a function of r, s, t. R, s, t are functions of x, y, z. Therefore, u is function of x, y, z. So first one, dou u by dou x. First, u is a function of r here, dou r by dou t, and r is function of 3 variables. Therefore, partial derivative, dou r by dou x, plus u is function of s and s derivative with respect to x. U is function of t and t derivative with respect to x. This is the first one. Change of variables rule, total differential formula. So this is equal to first dou u by dou r. That's it. This is as usual. Dou u by dou r is as usual. And dou r by dou x is what? Dou r by dou x is what? 2. Plus dou u by dou s. Dou s by dou x value 0. There is no x term here in s. And dou u by dou t by dou x value minus 2. Okay. So finally, what I'm getting, this is 2 into dou u by dou r minus 2 into dou u by dou t. Take this as 1. This is dou u by dou x value. Next one, or you take like this, better. Instead of this is 1. This implies take 2 this side, because required is this. 1 by 2 dou u by dou x is what? Dou u by dou r minus dou u by dou t, equation 1. Similarly, another one, dou u by, now dou u by dou y, dou u by dou r into dou r by dou y plus dou u by dou s by dou y, dou u by dou t by dou y. So first, dou u by dou r, and r is what? 2x minus 3y. So this is minus 3. This is dou u by dou s. Dou s by dou s is what? 3y minus 4z. This is 3. Dou u by dou t. T is what? t is 4z minus 2x. There is no y term, so 0. So finally, what I'm getting, this is equal to 1 by 3 dou u by dou y. 1 by 3 dou u by dou y equal to minus dou u by dou r plus dou u by dou s. This is equation 2. Now, dou u by dou z. Dou u by dou r by dou z, dou u by dou s by dou z, dou u by dou t by dou s, z, dou t by dou z. So first this one, dou u by dou r. What is r? 2x minus 3y. There is no z term. Dou u by dou s, and dou s by dou z. What is this? Minus 4. And dou u by dou t by dou z is what? 4. So this implies 1 over 4 dou u by dou z equal to minus dou u by dou s plus dou u by dou t. Equation 3. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 implies 1 by 2 dou u by dou x, 1 by 3 dou u by dou y, 1 by 4 dou u by dou z. This value you will get 0. Next one. Next problem. Yeah, take this. See this problem. If by the substitution u equal to x square minus y square, v equal to 2xy, and f of xy equal to theta of uv, f of xy equal to theta uv, show that dou square f by dou x square, dou square f by dou y square equal to 4 into x square plus y square of dou square theta by dou u square, dou square theta by dou v square. This is one problem. Okay. See, what is the question? If by substitution, what is the substitution? U equal to x square minus y square, v equal to 2xy. Means what here? U, v are functions of xy. Functions of xy. And what is f? F is nothing but theta. F is function of xy and theta is function of uv. That means f equal to theta here. So I have to get first dou f by dou y. Here f is function of uv. F is function of uv. Okay, by this substitution. Therefore, see, I'm giving the picture now. F is function of what? uv. uv are functions of what? xy. Therefore, f is function of. Therefore, f is function of implicit function of a composite function. F is composite function of xy. F is composite function of xy. This is about the theory. So first one, dou f by dou x I have to calculate. Dou f by dou x I have to calculate. What is dou f? First, f is function of what? uv. So dou f by dou u first. Now dou u by dou x plus f is also function of y into dou y by v. This is what? V. F is function of v and dou v by dou x. Let us calculate this. This is equal to dou f by dou u as it is, and dou u by dou x. What is u value? X square minus y square. Therefore, this is 2x plus dou f by dou v. Dou v by dou x is what? V is what? 2xy. So this is 2y. This is 2y. Okay. So finally, what I'm getting, this is 2 common x into dou f by dou u plus y into dou f by dou v. I'm getting. This is the value. Next, what I need, see, this is important. Dou f by dou x. Remember, here f is there, then here f, here f. Right? So I'm writing, therefore, the operator is dou by dou x. Operator is what? 2 into x dou by dou u plus y dou by dou v. That's it. If I put f here, you will get f here, f here. Okay, this is operator. Why I am writing this operator? Because now I need this derivative, dou square f by dou x square. In the question it is there. Dou square f by dou x square is there. Dou square f by dou x square is nothing but what? Dou by dou x of dou f by dou x, correct? Dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. One can write in this structure also, doesn't matter, no problem. So this is, what is dou by dou x? 2 into x into dou by dou u plus y into dou by dou v multiplied by what? Dou f by dou u is what? 2 into, again I'm taking one more 2 here. This is x into dou f by dou u, y into dou f by dou v, y into dou f by dou v. Now this is our a plus b into c plus d model. 4 into first this total, right? So let me write, this is 4 into, this is x, this x into dou by dou u of what? X into dou f by dou u, first term. Next, coming to second term, x into dou by dou u of what? Y into dou f by dou v. Next, this into this, y into dou by dou v of what? X into dou f by dou u. Remember, derivative is applied on this one. Okay. Next, lastly, what is this? Plus y into dou by dou v of what? Y into dou f by dou v. This is completed. Now, what is this value? This is equal to 4 into x. What is this derivative? X is function of u. Is x is function of u? No, x is not function of u and v are functions of x and y. Therefore this x, when I take derivative with respect to x, is treated as constant. Dou square f by dou u square, dou by dou u of dou f by dou u, this is over, plus xy. Similarly, y is treated as constant when I take derivative with respect to u. Dou square f by dou u dou v, dou u dou v, okay, u v, plus this is xy into what? Dou square f by dou u dou v, plus, and lastly y square into dou square f by dou v square, y square f into dou square f by dou v square, bracket close. Now this is equal to 4 into, this is x square into dou square f by dou u square, plus this is 2xy dou square f by dou u dou v, plus y square into dou square f by dou v square. This is the value of what? Dou square f by dou x square. Equation 1. Equation 1. Now dou f by dou y. I have to calculate dou square f by dou y square. For that, first dou f by dou y. F is function of u is function of y, f is function of v is function of y. So this dou f by dou u, what is dou u by dou y? Minus 2y, plus dou f by dou v, what is dou v by dou y? Dou u is over dou v by dou y 2x. Okay, therefore this implies, I will write, this is 2, I'm taking common, this is minus y into dou f by dou u plus x into dou f by dou v, x into dou f by dou v. So this is the value of what? Dou f by dou y. Okay, so here f is here, f is here, f is here. Therefore, what is the operator dou by dou y is? 2 into minus y dou by dou u plus x into dou by dou v, x into dou by dou v. Then now dou square f by dou y square equal to dou by dou y of dou f by dou y. So 2 into 2, 4 I am writing here. The first operator is minus y dou by dou u plus x into dou by dou v multiplied by what? Minus y dou f by dou u plus x into dou f by dou v. Okay, so taking multiplication, this is 4. First one, minus y into dou by dou u of minus y dou f by dou u, Next, minus y into dou by dou u of x into dou f by dou v. Next, x into dou by dou v of minus y into dou f by dou u. Next, plus x into dou by dou v of x into dou f by dou v. X into dou f by dou v. Now, since y, x, and these are not functions of uv, so those are treated as constant. So I'm getting y square into dou square f by dou u square. This is minus. Finally, you will get this dou square f by dou u dou v, and this is plus x square into dou square f by dou v square. This is 2. This is the value of dou square f by dou y square. So what is the left side LHS part? LHS dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square equal to 4 is common. See, in 1 and 2, what is the change? I think this one is the change. Minus 2xy is here, and in equation 1 plus 2xy is here. X square into dou square f by dou u square, y square. So this is 4 x square into dou square f by dou u square here. And in the first one, this is y square into dou square f by dou v square. And in the second equation, the terms are y square into dou square f by dou u square plus x square into dou square f by dou v square. Remaining terms gets cancelled. So 4 into dou square f by dou u square is common, x square plus y square, and dou square f by dou v square is common, x square plus y square. Okay, right? So x square plus y square is common. So remaining part is dou square f by dou u square, dou square f by dou v square. This is the value of what? Dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square. But this is not the proof. What is the proof here? Here what? Since f of x comma y is nothing but theta uv. So f is equivalent to what? Theta. That is why you can replace this f by theta. Dou square theta by dou u square, dou square theta by dou v square. This is the final answer. Okay, you practice this problem. And next one. Let me tell you, this is the one now. If x equal to u plus v plus w, y equal to uv plus vw plus wu, and z equal to uvw, z equal to uvw, and f is a function of xyz, show that u into dou f by dou u plus v into dou f by dou v plus w into dou f by dou w equal to x into dou f by dou x plus 2y into dou f by dou y, 3z into dou f by dou z. Okay, try this problem. Assignment. See, at any time the laptop may shut down because power cut is here. Next one. If u equal to f of r comma s comma t, where r equal to x by y, s equal to y by z, t equal to z by x, prove that x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y plus z into dou u by dou z equal to 0. Next one. Yeah, you try this. 0. Next one. Transform the equation dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. This is what? Laplace equation. This is well-known Laplace equation. Two polar coordinates into polar coordinates. Okay, this is so what a hint is what? Put x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Hint is what? Just I'm giving hint. Put x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Therefore, r equal to what? X square plus y square. Or that implies r square equal to x square plus y square, and theta equal to tan inverse of y by x. Theta equal tan inverse of y by x. So I have to calculate what first? Dou u by dou x, then dou square u by dou x square. So thing is here, u is function of r comma theta. Yeah, u is function of r comma theta, and r theta are functions of xy. So the picture is here, u is function of r theta are functions of xy. So u is function of xy. So calculate dou u by dou x, that is nothing but dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x, dou u by dou theta into dou theta by dou x. Okay, calculate this. Next one, you find dou by dou x operator. Next one, you find dou square u by dou x square, like this. Similarly, dou u by dou y, dou square u by dou y square. Try this problem. Okay. Next one, next concept is this also easy. Next. Take this one also assignment. I think I did this problem. No. If u equal to f of x comma y and x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, prove that dou u by dou x whole square plus dou u by dou y whole square equal to dou u by dou r whole square plus 1 by r square of dou u by dou theta whole square. Try this one also. Okay. Okay, laptop is going to shut down. I will stop here. Okay. Next topic is Jacobian.